Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at Elk Ridge. Do a quick video tutorial on the television setup in the living room. So this is a Vizio TV, somewhat smart enabled, and you have the Vizio. It's actually labeled as to kind of what's what. The cable one's obviously fairly straightforward to understand. Then you have the Toshiba DVD player. So as you're cycling through, HDMI 1 is going to be the cable box. And then we are going to probably end up RGB AV is going to probably be the DVD player as you're going through. Let's go down a comp. So as you're cycling through, you can see the different devices that's going to be available. We know HDMI 1 is going to be cable box. Now it's on. Okay. So as you can just cycle through, and you'll see exactly what belongs to what, and so we can see that we don't have anything on 2. Probably won't have anything on 4. But AV for audio video is pretty standard. So AV is the DVD player. HDMI 1 this is going to be the cable. And then if you push the center button right here, it'll go through, and then you can go ahead to the streaming services, enter your details and your data for Netflix, Prime, Hulu, Vudu, and so forth. So if you have any further questions utilizing the television while you are here, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. Cheers.